Hello everyone, welcome to part 29 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7. And from this video we are going to start working on the products module of our e-commerce website. In the last few videos you have seen that we able to create the categories module. We have done the view categories functionality, add, edit, delete. Okay, we have done that categories part, and from this video we are going to start working on products. Okay, so first of all we are going to create the products table with the help of migration, and after that we are going to insert one product record, one or maybe two product record we are going to insert with the help of seeding. Okay, so this thing we are going to do, this is same like we have done for the categories module. Okay, so you already know that our products come under category. Okay, so up till now you know that we have done sections, we have done categories, and now in catalogs now it will come like products will come here. Okay, so I want to tell you once again that see this structure. We have started from men, women, kids section that we have already created. After that we have created the categories that are t-shirts, like tops, okay, or denims. Okay, now then we have created the subcategories as well under categories. Okay, that thing we have also done, and now finally we will create the product. Okay, and product will come under these means category or subcategory. Okay, and you can see like blue formal t-shirt, red formal t-shirt, all we are going to create under the category. Okay, so this is the structure. You already know that we are going one by one, like first we have created the section, then categories, and now it's the turn for products. Okay, so let's start. First of all I am going to create the migration file for products, so I am going to one more new terminate folder. If you are in Windows you can just right click and git bash here, or in command prompt you can just need to run few commands. Okay, so here I am going to run first command, that is migration command. I want to run here php artisan migration, and that I php artisan make migration. It is same like we used to create model, make controller. Now it's make migration. Okay, php artisan make migration. So after that we will add the file name create underscore products underscore table. Okay, so our products table, that file now must have been created. We will check create products table. Okay, here it is. Okay, so now we are going to add the column required for our products table. Okay, so we are going to add here like we have done for categories. We have done the structure for categories, and here we will for products we are going to add the category ID as well. Okay, because we are going to add product under the category, under some category. Okay, like I have shown you that we are going to add product like blue t-shirt product under t-shirts category. So t-shirts or its subcategory like casual t-shirt or formal t-shirt. So we are going to store the category ID as well. Okay, along with we will also store the section ID, same like we have shown in categories. We have stored in categories. Okay, after that we are going to add product name, product code, product color, image for the product. Okay, description, wash care, fabric, pattern, sleeve, fit, occasion, and product price will be there. And now this time we are going to add the product discount as well. Okay, and the product weight will be there, product video will be there. Then SEO, for SEO we are going to add meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Okay, and we are also going to add the featured item, means each feature we will add the column for it. And finally we will add the status and credited and updated ad. Okay, so these are the columns. You can check in video description as well under the video the columns that we are going to add. Okay, So we are going to add all the columns here. So see, id is already there, so we are going to add rest of the columns like table integer, and here we are going to add category id, like I am talking about category id, under which category this product belongs. Okay, and dollar table, and here also integer, and now section id. Okay, it is coming under men, women or kids. Okay, its section id will come here. After that we are going to add the string for product name. Okay, now I am going to do like this, because there are many of these string we are going to add. Okay, here. Okay, so after product name we are going to add product code. Okay, that you already know that there is code for every product. After that, color, every product is having some color. Okay, and after product color we are going to add the product price. Okay, so we got the product price, and after product price we are going to add the product discount as well this time. Okay, in basic series we have not done this thing. Okay, so product discount, and then product weight. Okay, product weight also we can add here. After product weight we're going to add product video as well. Okay, there can be video, we will add the video as well. Then main image for the product, alternate images we are going to do separately. Main image for the product we are going to show that we can show everywhere, listing everywhere in admin panel. Okay, so after that, description for the product. Okay, description, and after that wash care. Okay, so we can add wash care as well. And after that some of the filters we are going to add. Okay, that will help us for listing page. Okay, so filters are fabric we are going to add, pattern, drop down will come here for all these, fabric, pattern, and then sleeve. Okay, and after we are talking about the t-shirts category. Okay, fit. Okay, so you can add as many columns as you want as per your own requirement. Okay, it is just an example. You can assume that we are adding for the t-shirts category, all these are required for the t-shirts category. Okay, but you can add more as per your requirement, or as per your requirement you can add these filters, you can add these options, these attributes as per your own requirement. Okay, so we have added fabric, pattern, sleeve, fit, and occasion. And after that we are going to add the SEO fields, and that are meta title and meta description, meta keywords, and after that we will see string is all done. Now we will add that the product is featured or not. So we are going to take here nm, and we will add here product is featured we can add that this product is featured or not. Okay, featured. Okay, it's featured, and for that we can add here no or yes. Okay, from these two options you can decide one. Okay, so after that we are going to add status, and for status we can take the tiny integer, and these are not required, these are extra, you can remove these one. Okay, then timestamps. Okay, so all the fields are done here. id we will check once, id, category id, section id, product name, product code, product color, product price, product discount, product weight, and product video, main image, description, wash care, fabric, pattern, sleeve, fit, occasion, meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and is featured. Okay, status, and now all fine. Okay, so now we can run php artisan migrate command, so that this table will get created. Php artisan migrate. Okay, hope no error will come, and here it has been created. So we are going to check here. I am going to refresh our database, and you can see the products table has come up here. Okay, so all the fields have come up here. You can check out that all the fields are coming here. Their spellings are also correct. You can double check that everything is fine or not. Okay, so now we are going to add one entry, in fact 2 entries. We are going to add 2 products. We are going to add with the help of seeding. Okay, so let's see. We are going to do that seeding command, but first of all we will also create model and controller for the product. Okay, that we can quickly create. So here first of all I'm going to create the model. PHP artisan make model product. Okay, now we are going to create controller, and controller we are going to create like okay, we are going to create controller inside admin folder. Okay, you already remember that we have the folder here, separate folder. You can see here app, http, controllers, and this is the admin, and this is the front. For front controllers, when we are going to work on front, we are going to keep the front controllers here, and now we need to keep the admin controller, and we are going to create the controller in admin folder. Okay, so we keep both controllers separate this time in advanced series, so that it is more clear to us in future. Okay, to make our code look really neat and clean. Okay, so let's controller here, products controller. Okay, now it has been created. You can see here that products controller has been created or not, and I'm going to refresh here. Oh, it has been created outside. Oh sorry, I forgot to add admin, so I can remove this one. Once again I am going to try PHP artisan make controller. Here I need to mention under admin like this. Done. Now we are going to check. Okay, now this time is fine. Okay, so after that we are going to create the seeding command for entering few test records for products. Okay, so for creating seeding command, seeder is the command for creating seeding, for creating the seeding page, same like migration. So this is similar to that PHP artisan make. See, syntax remains the same. PHP artisan make migration. See this one, PHP artisan make model, PHP artisan make controller. Now PHP artisan make seeder. Okay, syntax remain the same. Okay, now it is seeder command. Okay, seeder for creating the syntax in file. From that we can create as many records as we want. We no need to type there. We just write in file, and that code can be created automatically. Okay, with one command. Okay, so PHP artisan make seeder. Here we will create seeder like products table seeder, like this, products table seeder. Okay, so it has been created. I am going to check products table seeder. Okay, that is fine. So now here I am going to add my seeder code. Okay, so that I can add the record. So I will create one array here like dollar product records. We can add like this, dollar product records. Okay, and here I can create the array like this, and inside this array I am going to create the records. Okay, that I am going to insert. Okay, so I will start like this. First of all, id is 1, then category id, we can say that category id is 2. Assume that category id is 2. section ID, we are going to add product in main section. So main section is having section ID 1. Okay, then product name we can add like blue t-shirt. Okay, this is the product name we are going to add. Then product code. Okay, for product code we are going to add like BT001 like this. Product color, and for product color we are going to add like blue. Okay, and product price, and this must be 1500. And product discount, we can say that we are going to add the 10% discount. Okay, so we can add like this product discount. Okay, and after that we are going to add product weight. Okay, so let me see that we have created product discount, product price. So few columns are incorrect. Oh my goodness, see here there is issue. See few columns like product price, product discount and product weight must be float. Okay, so these columns are wrong. Okay, so we can also check create categories table. So what we can do here, see here we need to create the float. Okay, so that we need to correct this one. It is we need to correct, otherwise the issue will come. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to delete the table and will create again, and we are going to insert the float value for product price, product discount and product weight. Okay, so I'm going to create the float value for all these three. I'm going to recheck category ID integer fine, section ID integer fine, and string for all these three, then float for these three. Fine. Product video, main image, description, also we can add the text for description. Okay, so you can check here. Okay, fine. So you can add wash curve is fine, string for the all these, that is fine. Meta description, that is fine. Okay, yeah, rest all seems to be fine. Okay, so what I am going to do here, see, before continue, simple thing I am going to do, I am going to remove the table. This table I am going to remove. Delete the table. Okay, and what I am going to do, I am going to do one more thing. I am going to remove this entry as well from the migrations table. Okay, and I will make it auto increment like 7. You can do this step if in case you have made some mistake, or you can update as well. Okay, update the table with migration as well. Okay, so but I have removed now because I have just created the table. I am going to create the table again. Okay, so I am having the file once again. So I am going to run that command, php artisan migrate command. Okay, and we'll see here, see the table has been created again. I am going to check the table now once again. See, table has been created and it has been created as per our requirement or not. Now you can see the table has been created as per our requirement. Product price, product discount, product weight is coming in double. Okay, that is also fine. Okay, so now these three columns are fine, and description is created as test. Okay, so now it is fine. Okay, we have resolved the issue straight away, or that we have created. Okay, so now we can able to close this file. Okay, so now we can continue. Product discount can be 10. Okay, and after product discount, product weight, and product weight can be something like 200, and after product weight we will add product video, and product video can be we can left it empty right now. And after that, main image, okay, we have added main image, and main image also we can left empty. After main image, there is column description, and description we can also left empty, or we can write test product like this. Okay, after description, wash care we can left this column as empty. Okay, all the filters column we can left empty, like fabric. Okay, and after fabric there is pattern. After pattern there is sleeve. After sleeve there is fit. After fit there is occasion like this. Okay, and after occasion there is meta title. After meta title there is meta description. Okay, after meta description there is field meta keywords. Meta keywords, this field is featured, this product is featured or not. Okay, then we can add no for is featured, and after that there is field status. Okay, for status we can add one. Okay, so I will just copy paste this one, and we'll add one more element here, one record here in our array, and here I will make change like id2, and it is belong to category id2, that is fine. And here I am going to write red t-shirt. Okay, we can also write blue casual t-shirt like this. We will check the categories one. Okay, like these shirts, t-shirts. Okay, sorry. Okay, t-shirts. Okay, now what I will do, I will add one more like casual t-shirts. I am going to add, and also I am going to check the auto increment for categories. Auto increment is 8, so that is wrong. I am going to add the auto increment of 4. Okay, casual t-shirts in men, t-shirts. Okay, and after that casual t-shirts here, casual t-shirts, fine. Now this one we can add, submit. Okay, now its id is 4. I am going to add the product under this id, so I am going to make the category id as 4. Okay, and here as well 4. Okay, here I am going to add blue casual t-shirt, and here I am going to add red casual t-shirt. Okay, and here I am going to make it like 001 red. Okay, price you can check like you can give like 2000. Rest everything you can give same, and here you can give its value as yes. Okay, so now it is ready, all done. Okay, now we can see after array we will also need to add that product insert syntax we need to add. Here it will come like product record, sorry. Okay, so now fine. Now we are going to run, but I will add here use app product. Okay, so now we are ready to add this one. So there is a command that I will run now, and sorry, one more file we need to update, and that is database seeder file. Okay, and here we need to disable this one, earlier one. I will just copy this one, and here I will remove this one, and I will make here products table seeder. Okay, like this. Okay, so now it is done, Now finally we need to run one more command. We are going to run here, and that is php artisan db seed. Okay, this command, this final command. Okay, here you can see this one, don't confuse yourself. See, first I'm going to review this one. I'm going to tell you once again. See, first we have created that php artisan make migration create products table. We have created that migration command, we have run and created that file, migration file, and after that we able to create the migration table with the help of php artisan migrate, and after that we have created that product model and then products controller, and after that we have created that seeder file, products table seeder file with the help of php artisan make seeder command. And after now finally we are going to run php artisan db seed for creating the records in our products table. Okay, so I'm going to run and I'm going to see the issue here, expecting, okay, some issue is there. I am going to check what issue exactly it is expecting. Something some kind of braces not closed or something like this, parse error, and products table seeder, it is in products table seeder. Okay, and unexpected equal to, okay, expecting this one. So we need to check here, issue is here in this part. Okay, so we need to verify where is the issue. Okay, so this is the issue. See here, we have not done object here, I have done equal to, so this is the issue, I think. Okay, so now it is corrected. Now I'm going to run that command once again, php artisan db seed. So I come to know about this issue. You can see here equal to 200 is coming here in screen. Okay, so it clearly tells us that this issue is coming. Okay, so I'm going to run once again, and now this time I'm going to see that which issue is coming. Might be some other issue has come up this time, and column not found, unknown column occasion. Okay, so there is a spelling mistake for the occasion column that we have done for our table, products table. Okay, so here is the name of occasion is wrong, OCCASION, I think SASION. So so we can do one thing here. I will check that file, create table, create products table. Okay, and we'll check the spelling here, occasion s. Okay, because when I will give you this project to download, you can create this project easily by running this migration command. So it required to create make the correction here. Okay, so I have corrected here as well, and I will correct now here as well, occasion. Okay, I'm going to make it correct here as well. I'm going to move one s here, save. Okay, now I'm going to run one more time same command, artisan db seed. Now this time it has been successful. You can see that that message is coming, database seeding completed successfully. Okay, so I'm going to check now. See here, the two records have been created now. Okay, one for blue casual t-shirt and another one is for red casual t-shirt with blue color and with red color. Okay, and created under the category id 4 that we have just created. And see, one is the featured product and another one is not the featured one. Okay, so we have able to create the table, we have able to add the records as well. So in next video we are going to show this products module here, and we are going to show the products here. Okay, so like this we are going to show the products in our admin panel, and after that we are going to work on that add, edit product, delete product. Okay, all the things that we need to do for our e-commerce website, that we are going to do in our next video. Okay, so we will continue products module in next video. So if you have any queries, you can surely contact me in video description, and do subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, then you can subscribe my channel. Okay, for updates. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.